Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel Belagali's class. My friends, I have started with integration, that too 1 mark questions. Already I have completed some of the examples doing one video, 1 mark questions, my friends. Now I will continue with the same 1 mark and 2 mark questions. 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Now, while doing these examples, that first type of examples directly based on the formula, I used it and I have done it. Simple examples. All these examples are also simple. Already I have written what? The formula. Once again I will remind the general formula. After reminding the general formula, then I do some sample examples, my friends, which are given in your textbook. That too, exercise these 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, all these I have selected some of the examples from this exercises. I have collected under 1 mark questions I have done. After completion of this 1 mark questions, same type I do with what? 2 mark questions. My aim is to do only examples under 1 mark and 2 mark. That is part A, 10 examples compulsory. Part B, they give 14 examples. Out of the 14 examples, you have to answer any 10 examples. Selection is there. Alright, my friends. See, now I will remind just my friends, it is a PUC second year or 12th standard maths class. Integration. Reminded, these are the exercises 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, even 7.4 and all. See, now once again, my friends, these are 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Note means it's a result formula, general formula reminded. Examples based on the formula e to the power fx into f dash x dx. E to the power fx into f dash x dx equal to e to the power fx plus c. Everything, my friends, I have discussed in detail while doing integration. See my main videos. Already I have completed, I have done in detail entire part of what? Calculus, differentiation, integration, everything I have done in detail. For detailed performance, if you wanted any references, please refer my videos, Belagali's classes. If you put it, you will get again in that integration part only. Again in that, even I have divided there rational functions, irrational functions, integration by parts, integration by partial fractions. If you put just 1, 1, 1, 1, if you wanted particularly with what? Examples based on this formula, general formula, you can have it, my friends. So please refer those main videos. And it is a repetition come. I am interested in doing only 1 mark and 2 mark questions, my friends. See, based on this, what is this? Integral e to the power f x into f dash x. What is this? F dash x, derivative of power f x with respect to x equal to e to the power fx plus c. E to the power fx plus c. Evaluate the following. These are 1 mark questions. Simple examples, my friends. Integrate e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. Given integral e to the power tan inverse x. This is your power, my friends. If it is x, I have referred everything here, my friends. Integral of e to the power x dx is what? E to the power x itself. The derivative of x is 1. We are not going to write. In this case, integral of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. This is given integral. Is it x? No. Then side needs its derivative, my friends. This is the derivative of what? Power 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. After this, directly we can write this step. It is e to the power f into f dash. No need to write this step. If anybody wanted a suppurative step, this 1 upon 1 plus x square is nothing but derivative of tan inverse x. I have written in this form. This is e to the power f dash. e to the power f, f dash is what? E to the power f itself. This is e to the power f tan inverse x plus. This is second example. Integral x square e to the power x cube dx. Given integral, first e to the power f. This is x square dx. But what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square, but you have only x square. Multiply and divide by 3. So it is e to the power x cube into, what is it? It is 3x square. That 1 by 3 is adjusted here. Yes, my friends. Once again, just highlights main points of this example. This is integral e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. Yes, my friend. Given integral e to the power f into f dash, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So, it is e to the power tan inverse x. If you wanted, you can write this step. This 1 upon 1 plus x square is nothing but derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x. With respect to x. Yes, my friends. You can put a bracket here. You can put a bracket here. Now you can say this is e to the power f into f dash. E to the power f into f dash is e to the power f itself. E to the power f. F is tan inverse x plus c. Plus c. Yes, friends. Friends, because here I was explaining this step here. What is it? Integral of e to the power x is e to the power x. We are not going to write that 1. What is that 1? Derivative of x. As the derivative of power is 1, we are not going to write. If it is other than x, my friend, this is x directly. If it is other than x side, we need what? Derivative of this power. Derivative of this power. Then only you can apply this formula. Second example. Integrate x square into e to the power x cube dx. X square into e to the power x cube dx. Integral e to the power x cube into x square dx. The same thing I have rewritten. But what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. You wanted 3 here. Multiply. If you multiply inside, you have to divide outside. So it is 1 by 3 into 3. 5. We wanted derivative of x cube is 3x square. For that, multiply and divide. This is 1 by 3 into integral e to the power x cube. Now what is this 3x square? D by dx of x cube. D by dx of x cube. What is it? E to the power f into f dash is what? E to the power f itself. E to the power x cube plus c. Plus c. Third example. Evaluate this. X upon e to the power x square dx. X upon e to the power x square dx. Given integral e to the power minus x square. This x dx, this is shifted to the numerator. It is minus x square. What is the derivative of minus x square? Minus 2x. But you have only x here, my friends. Multiply by minus 2. If you multiply inside, you have to divide outside. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 gives 1 itself. So it is minus 1 by 2 into e to the power minus x square into minus 2x dx. What is it? It is e to the power f into f dash, derivative of the power. Directly this itself, no need. After this step, directly you can write this. If you wanted, this minus 2x is nothing but d by dx of minus x square. This you have brought this form, e to the power f into f dash. E to the power f into f dash is e to the power f itself. Minus 1 by 2 into e to the power minus x square plus c. Plus c. Then this is 2 examples, my friends. So these are the 3 examples given in your textbook. If you wanted, just you try these 2 parallel examples. Integral e to the power root x upon root x dx. F is root x. What is derivative? 1 by 2 root x. But root x is there. That 1 by 2 you must adjust outside, writing 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2 itself. It is e to the power sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. 1 upon root 1 minus x square is nothing but derivative of sine inverse x. Sine inverse x. Once again, e to the power f into f dash. Instead of sine inverse x, they may give cos inverse x. But the derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by that minus you must adjust outside. Like this, my friends, they may give any examples. They may give any examples. If it is 1 by x, they give upon x square. I tell my friends, power is 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Yes, that you have to adjust, only simply you have to adjust that negative sign. Yes, my friends. Just these parallel examples, you try, my friends. Do it yourself, DIY. Do it yourself. Yes, my friends, I hope understood. Based on this, these are under 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Under 2 mark questions, I do separate examples based on this. Next formula, my friends. Another node. Next, I want to do 1 mark questions based on this formula. 1 mark only, not 2 mark. 1 mark. We know that e to the power x into fx plus f dash x. E to the power x into fx plus f dash x dx is e to the power fx itself. E to the power. 1 minute, my friends. This is e to the power x into fx plus c, e to the power x into fx plus c, c. What should be the inside? If it is a function plus a side needs what? Derivative of this first function, derivative of fx. First function, second function must be its derivative with a plus sign. Is integral is e to the power x into fx plus c. Examples. Evaluate the following. First, I do only 1 mark questions. These are from your textbook. Evaluate integral e to the power x sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Yes, given integral e to the power x into sin x plus cos x. But what is this cos x, my friend? Derivative of sin x is cos x. So if you take this as f, automatically this becomes what? F dash. That f dash is written like this. It is a d by dx of sin x is cos x. This cos x I have written d by dx of sin x. So now it is e to the power x. And if it is f, it must be f dash. So e to the power x, f plus f dash is e to the power x into fx sin x plus. This is second example. E to the power x into sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. You must know. You can't take now. This is f. Tell my friends why. Derivative of sin x is plus cos x. Instead of plus cos x, my friends, it is minus cos x. Then this should not be f. When it is not f, the side must be f. There are only two. Among the two, one is f and another is f dash. One is f and another is f dash. Is it correct? Then when sin is not f, why? Derivative of sin is not minus cos x, it is plus cos x. Then this is not f. Then minus cos x is your f. First write it. Minus cos x plus sin x. Yes. Minus cos x. What is the derivative of minus cos x? Sign changes. Why, my friends? See, I told derivative of any trigonometric function that starts with letter C has a negative sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. The sign changes. C, sign changes. This minus becomes plus. So this plus sin x can be written as d by dx of minus cos x. Minus of minus is plus sin x. So if it is f, then it is f dash. So it is e to the power x into minus cos x plus c. E to the power x into minus cos x plus c. Simplified, it is minus e to the power x cos x plus c. This is cos x minus sin x. In this case, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Then what is this answer? E to the power x into cos x. This, my friends, do it yourselves. 1 minute time just to copy it. I do another few more examples of this formula. E to the power x fx plus f dash x. F dash x. Copy it, my friends. Copy it. These are, my friends, these are few more examples on this formula. Same I have discussed. Integral e to the power f into fx plus f dash x. It is not f, my friend, it is e to the power x. It is integral e to the power x into fx plus f dash x is, this is e to the power x into fx plus c. Yes, I have done already 2 examples. This is the 3rd example. EV means evaluate. Integral e to the power x into tan inverse x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. These are simple examples, my friends. Yes, e to the power x tan inverse x. This is 1 upon 1 plus x square is derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. For this we may write as a support. This is nothing but derivative of tan inverse x. If I write this, it becomes what? F plus f dash. F plus f dash is what? E to the power x into f. F is tan inverse x. It is e to the power x into f is tan inverse x plus c. 4th example, integral e to the power x into sec x into 1 plus tan x dx. Sec x into 1 plus tan x dx. Given integral, simplify this. Sec x plus sec x into tan x dx. Yes. What is this sec x tan x? Nothing but derivative of sec x. Once again, my friends, e to the power x into fx plus f dash x is e to the power x into fx. Fx is sec x plus c. Yes, my friend, sec x plus c. I hope it is understood. It is a very simple example given this year. Model question paper, either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. 1 mark or 2 mark questions. This is the next example which is appeared in question paper J 2015. Evaluate the integral e to the power x 1 plus x minus 1 upon x square. 1 plus x, this is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Yes, what is this? Minus 1 upon x square is the derivative of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Rewrite. Now this is the given integral equal to, this is given integral equal to e to the power x plus, this you write like this, plus minus 1 by x square separate. If you write minus 1 by x square, this minus 1 by x square is nothing but derivative of 1 by x. F plus f dash e to the power x into fx 1 by x plus c e to the power x upon x plus c. Next example, my friends. It is evaluate e to the power x into x log x plus 1 upon x. E to the power x into x log x plus 1 upon x dx. Given integral e to the power x into, this is x log x plus 1 upon x. Yes, x log x upon x plus 1 by x. A plus b upon c. A by c plus b by c. Cancellation of x remains log x plus 1 by x. You know what is 1 by x? Derivative of log x. 1 by x is derivative of log x. If you want, we can write this step d by dx of log x. Otherwise, 1 by x is nothing but derivative of log x. Then e to the power x log x plus c. F plus f dash log x plus c. Now it is also another good example, my friend. This is slightly lengthy. This they may ask under what? Either 1 mark or 2 mark questions. 1 mark or 2 mark, which is integrate x e to the power x upon x plus 1 the whole square. Instead of x plus 1, they may give it as what? 1 plus x, both are same. X plus 1, 1 plus x, both are same. Yes, e to the power x into x upon x plus 1 the whole square. This is x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Simplified, x plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Cancellation of one term remains 1 upon x plus 1 plus, adjust this minus, you write separate, minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. If it is f like this, my friends, it is a just extension of this example. It is x here, instead of x it is x plus 1. When it is x, what is the derivative? Minus 1 by x square. When it is x plus 1, what is the derivative? Minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. This is f, this is f dash. E to the power x into f, which is e to the power x upon x plus 1 plus c plus c. It comes under 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. 2 mark question is fit. 2 mark question is fit. Like this, even my friends, this example, the friend examiner may simplify this. He may give it as what? This 5th example. Simplifying, he may give that example as like this, my friends. It is integral e to the power x into, my friend, this is x minus 1 upon x square, x minus 1 upon x square dx. This example is same as this. See, e to the power x, x upon x square it is. It is integral e to the power x into, it is x upon x square minus 1 by x square. X cancels, you are left with 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So, this example they may give like this. This form is there in your textbook, but friend examiner, while setting the question paper, the same, what is the LCM is x square, simplify, comes x minus 1 upon x square. The same example, the nature of the example, the appearance of the example may change by simplifying this bracket. X minus 1 upon x squared is nothing but this itself. My friends, you note this step. Yes. Let's start. It is also a good example, my friends. 1 mark question, it is also a good example. It is slightly lengthy, that's why I told what. It may come under 2 mark questions. All these, my friends, 6 to 7 examples. These are important based on the formula e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx equal to e to the power x fx plus c. Under that, it is important, my friends. And these all comes under what? 1 mark questions, except that 7th example. Rest they are good examples under 1 mark. Very simple examples like this. Tan inverse plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Sin x plus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. The friend may give this sin inverse x plus 1 by root 1 minus x square. If he wanted DIY, just a practice, DIY, it is integral e to the power x sin inverse x plus 1 by root 1 minus x square. This is given in your textbook. It is a parallel example. He may give tan x plus x square x. What is the derivative of tan? Sec square x. Cot x minus cosec square x. Like this, they may construct any examples. F plus f dash. Yes, my friends. 1 minute. Copy it. Yes, friends. Next example is Friends, this is on trigonometric functions, my friends. Once again, just I will repeat it. Integral of sine is minus cos x. Integral of cos is plus sin x. Integral of tan is log sec x, otherwise minus log cos x. Integral of sine is log. Integral of cot is log sin x. Once again I will repeat it. Integral of sine is minus cos x. Integral of cos is plus sin x. Integral of tan log sec x, otherwise minus log cos x. Integral of cot is log sin x. Sec log sec x plus tan x. Cosec log cosec x minus cot x. Integral of sec square x tan x. Integral of cosec square x minus cot x. Integral of sec into tan sec x. Integral of cosec into cot is minus cosec x. If the angle is other than x, like ax or ax plus b, divide by the coefficient of x, which is a. Remember my friends. Once again, while doing these examples, we can't judge this comes correctly under 1 mark, correctly under 2 mark. That deciding is by the examiner, giving the same example under what? 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. It all depends upon the examiners, how they look, how they measure it. Understood? Yes, my friend. This is the first example given in the model question paper under 1 mark question test. Integrate, evaluate the following 1 mark or 2 mark. Integrate 2 sin x upon cos square x dx. Given integral, this 2 being a constant taken outside integral sin x upon cos square x dx. This cos square x, you split it 1 by cos x, sin by cos x. You know 1 by cos x is sec x, sin by cos x is tan x. Therefore, 2 into integral sec into tan is sec x. Integral sec into tan is sec x plus c. Sec x plus c. 1 mark. These slight lengthy, these you may expect under 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions. It all depends upon my friends. 2 mark, 1 mark on the examiners. 1 minus sin x upon cos square x. Simplified. 1 by cos square minus sin x upon cos square. 1 by cos square is sec square minus this, my friend. This is the example given in your book. This is the example given in the model question paper. If they give this under 2 mark question, if they give only this part, it is under 1 mark question. See, like that, my friends, examiners from the textbook itself, they may change, they may give any form, the same example, any form. Okay, if they give this, they may give under 2 mark question. If they give only this part, they may give under 1 mark question. 1 by cos square minus sin x upon cos square x dx. 1 by cos square is sec square minus 1 by cos into sin upon cos x. This is sec square. Again explained, sec x into tan x. Sec square minus sec x into tan x. Integral of sec square tan x minus integral of sec into tan is sec x plus. Either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark question. It depends upon the examiners. Next, same parallel third. 3 cos x minus 4 upon sin square x. 3 cos x minus 4 upon sin square x. 3 cos x upon sin square minus 4 upon sin square. It is 3 by sin x into cos x upon sin x. Sin x split it. 1 sin this, 1 sin with cos. Minus 4 into 1 by sin square x. It is 3. 1 by sin is cosec x. If you wanted, you may write this also. Okay, 3 separate here. 3 separate like this. This is integral 3 into 1 by. 3 into 1 by. It is 3 into 1 by sin x is cosec. Cosec by sin is cos. Minus 4 into 1 by sin square is cosec square x. 3 being a constant out. Integral of cosec into cot minus cosec x. It is minus 4 into. It is minus 4 into. Integral of cosec square is minus cot x. Minus cot x. Simplify. Minus 3 cosec x. Minus with this minus is plus. Plus 4 cot x plus c will be the integral of this. These normally they give under what, my friends? 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions. If they split like this, one part, that one part becomes 1 mark. 2 parts like this, 2 parts becomes 2 mark questions. Yes, I hope understood. 3 cos x minus 4 upon sin square x. 3 cos x upon sin square minus 4 upon sin square. 3 into split 1 by sin into cos x upon sin x minus 4 into 1 by sin square dx. 1 by sin is cosec x into cot x minus 4 into cosec square x. 3 into integral of cosec into cot c minus sin minus 4 into cosec square is minus cot. Simplifying minus 3 cosec minus of minus plus 4 cot x plus c. Remember, the same type, you do it yourselves, This is the next question. It is also what? It depends upon the examiners. They may give 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark. 2 mark. Integrating sin inverse cos x. The same example you have done in case of what? Differentiation also. Cos x can be written as what? Sin of pi by 2 minus x. Minus x. Now it is sin inverse of sin angle itself. Pi by 2 minus x dx. Integral of pi by 2 minus integral of x dx. Pi by 2 being a constant. Integral of kx. Pi by 2 into x. Minus integral of x is x square by 2 plus c. DIY. Just changing sin inverse with cos. It is cos inverse with sin. See parallel example. Yes, these are some good examples, my friends. Just I give 1 minute, single minute. Just you copy it. Yes, my friends. And the next set I am going to do by making use of your trigonometric identities. What do you mean by trigonometric identity? They are the main trigonometric formula. The basic one, cos square x or cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Second, 1 plus tan square is sec square. Third, 1 plus cot square is cosec square. Fourth, around about cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta has 3 formulae. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Similarly, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Based on this map, I do some 3-4 examples, my friends. First, I remind those formulae, then examples. Yes, my friends. Yes, I hope all these examples are clear. This is one set. Friends, the next part is integrals using the trigonometric identities. Mainly, trigonometric identities means I have written here. The basic one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. With the help of this, you get other two. What other two? Sin square theta. Shifting this side, cos square theta. Sin square is 1 minus cos square. Cos square is 1 minus sin square in 3 capacities. Second is 1 plus tan square is sec square. What is tan square? Sec square minus 1. Sec square minus 1. Yes, my friend. From this, what is your tan square? From this, tan square theta. Tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Similarly, 1 plus cot square. 1 plus cot square is cosec square theta. And what is the value of cot square? cosec square theta minus 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square 1 minus cos square. Cos square 1 minus sin square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Or sec square is 1 plus tan square. What is tan square? Sec square theta minus 1. Like that, the third identity. 1 plus cot square is cosec square. Cot square. Cosec square minus 1. Even my friends when use sec square minus tan square is 1. Sec square minus tan square is 1. Cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Or if you substitute forward sin square theta using this, what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. Simplify, you get what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then if you substitute forward cos square equal to 1 minus sin square, you get what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Yes, my friend. Cos 2 theta has 3 formulae. Mixture both cos square and sin square. Purely cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. Purely sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin 2 theta 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta 2 sin theta cos theta. Mainly presently we use this like that. Even you may write what, my friend, instead of 2 theta, sin 2 theta is this. Even another sin 3 theta you may use, cos 3 theta you may use, tan 3 theta you may use. In finding the integrals of sin cube, use sin 3 theta. Cos cube, use cos 3 theta formula. Tan cube, use tan 3 theta formula. All these are comes identities, my friends. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is done. Now at 10th standard. Then this formula cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, all these are done at the level of PUC first year, my friends. PUC first year. Yes, my friends. Now I want to do some examples based on these identities. Yes, my friend. Evaluate the following. Again, all these comes under what? Either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. It all depends upon the examiners, my friends. 1 mark or 2 mark, jointly I have done. We can't, it goes difficult for us to what? Differentiate. Very simple examples, definitely they go for what? 1 mark. Little steps, 1 or 2 more, they may go for what? 2 mark questions. My friend, this is the first example given in March 2014 examination. 1 mark it is given. Integral sin square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square upon 1 plus cos x. A square minus b square. What are the factors? A minus b into a plus b upon a plus b. A plus b cancels with a plus b, leaving a minus b, 1 minus cos x. Integral of 1 x minus integral of cos is plus sin plus with minus is minus plus friend c. This is a parallel example. Instead of sin square, the friend may give cos square. The denominator may be any one of the factor, either it is minus factor or otherwise plus factor. If they give minus factor, plus factor cancels. If they give plus down, plus cancels, remains minus factor. Cos square upon 1 minus sin square. Substitute for cos square x, my friends. DIY. Same. I hope understood. Next, I use formula for cos 2x in all these 3 examples. Cos 2x is cos square minus sin square, 2 cos square minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square. Remember, 2 theta becomes theta, half of the angle given. If it is theta, theta by 2 here, theta by 2 here. If it is theta by 2 here, double theta. Remember, my friends. Our next example is this. Evaluate integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x. You have to make use the formula for cos 2x in terms of sine. No confusion. Because the side friend is a sine, so you must use formula for what? Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, which is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x. Minus 2 cancels with plus 2, gives 1. 1 upon cos square. What is 1 upon cos square? Sec square x dx. What is the integral of sec square? Tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. Seventh. It is same. Evaluate the integral. 2 cos square x minus cos 2x upon sin square x. Substitute for cos 2 in terms of cos square. What is cos 2 in terms of cos square? 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This 2 cos square as it is minus cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Simplify. 2 cos square minus 2 cos square minus with minus is plus 1. Cancellation. 1 upon sin square. What is 1 upon sin square? Cosec square x. What is the integral of cosec square x? Minus cot x plus c. Integral of cosec square is minus cot x plus c. Oh, understood. Next, 7th example. It is also given in the textbook. It is a very good example of 1 mark question, my friend. 1 mark. Evaluate the integral sin square x minus cos square x. But for the formula cos 2 theta, cos square minus sin square, then you have to take what? Minus outside. If you take minus outside, this sin square minus cos square becomes cos square minus sin square. What is cos square minus sin square? Cos, double the angle. Directly you can write cos x. Otherwise, I have written one step more. Supportive. 2 times the angle. 2 to get cancels. Cos x dx. Minus integral of cos is sin x plus c. Integral of cos is sin x plus c. Yes, once again. Sin square minus cos square. Take minus outside. Cos square minus sin square. If it is cos square minus sin square, what is the formula? Cos 2 times the angle. Cos 2 times the angle is x by 2. 2 to get cancels. Cos x. With minus sin this. Minus integral of cos x is sin x plus c. The same example the friend examiner may construct like this, my friends. Sin square x minus cos square x upon sin x cos x. Yes. Same you wanted. Minus is outside. Cos square x minus sin square x. Sin x cos x means you have to make use this down formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Whenever both sin theta cos theta comes, it is a smell towards what? Sin 2 theta. Yes. It needs to get to divide and multiply. This minus is out. What is this? Cos square minus sin square is cos 2 theta. Cos 2x. This 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. This 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. What is this? 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. This 2 is out. Okay. This 2 is out. This 2 is out. What is this term? It is 2 cos. It is equal to minus 2 into cos upon sin is cot 2x. What is this? This is minus 2 into. What is the integral of cot? Log sin 2x. What is the angle other than x? Divide by the coefficient. This coefficient is 2. This 2 cancels with 2. This gives minus. Log sin 2x. Log sin 2x plus c. It's a 2 mark question. My friends have explained once again. Integral sin square x minus cos square x upon sin x cos x. Take minus outside. Cos square x minus sin square needs to give 2, take it back. Divide and multiply. Minus is out. This 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. Cos square minus sin square is cos 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. It is minus 2 into cot 2x. Cos by sin is cot 2x. Integral of cot is log sine 2x upon 2 pi other than x. If the angle is other than x, divide by the coefficient. Outside this down cancels. What is the answer? Minus log sine 2x plus c. Minus log sine 2x plus c. Yes, my friend. I give 1 minute. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends, copy it. Yes, yes, my friend. My friends, a few more examples by what? Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Remember, sine square plus cos square is 1. Sine square 1 minus cos square 1 minus sine square. 1 plus tan square sec square. 1 plus cot square cosec square. Very important formula. Cos 2 theta, cos square minus sine square. 2 cos square minus 1. 1 minus 2 sine square. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Yes, my friends. So the next example is this. Evaluate sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x. Again, it is also what? Either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. It depends, my friends. It is sin square upon this denominator minus cos square upon this denominator. Here, sin square cancels. 1 by cos square minus. Here cos square cancels 1 by sin square. Here sin square cancels remains. Cos square cancels remains. 1 by cos square is x square minus, what is it? 1 by sin square is cosec square. Integral of sec square is tan minus. Integral of cosec square is minus cot x. Therefore, this equal to have this minus of minus is plus cot x plus cot x plus. Yes, my friend. This is sin square minus cos square upon sin square x minus sin square x into cos square x. Next, instead of square, see, my friend, see the difference here. Sin square x minus cos square upon sin x cos x. The method is different. Method is different. Observe it. But here, instead of sin x cos x, it is sin square x cos square x. Whereas the numerator is set. In this case, the method becomes simple. First divided by the denominator minus second divided by the denominator. If you simplify directly, you get the answer. It's just 1 mark question. 1 mark question. Instead of sine square, it is sine cube, my friend. Now I will remove it. I will remove it because just I wanted to tell the difference. Sin x cos x, this is the method. Instead of sin x cos x, if it is sin square x cos square x, this is the method. The example becomes quite simple here. Simple here. Yes, friend. It is sin cube x minus cos cube x upon sin square x into cos square x. So, first divided by the denominator minus second divided by the denominator. Here sin square x cancels. Numerator is sin cube, denominator sin square. Cancellation of sin square remains sin x upon cos square x minus cancellation of cos square, left cos x in the numerator upon sin square x. Cos x in the numerator upon sin square x in the denominator. This already we have done. 1 by cos into sin by cos minus sin square split 1 by sin into cos by sin. 1 by cos is sec into tan minus cosec into cot. What is sec into tan? Sec x minus cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x. Then what is the answer for this? It is sec x minus of minus is plus cosec x plus. Yes, my friend, this is 12th example. Next I come back to this 10th example. It is cos 2x upon sin square x cos square x. Observe, in all these examples where denominator is repeated, denominator is same, sin square x cos square x. Only the numerators are changing. Sin square minus cos square, sin cube minus cos cube. Here again denominator is same, it is cos 2x. Cos 2x upon sin square cos square. What is cos 2x? By the formula identity. Cos square cos 2 is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it becomes cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x. Yes, cos square x upon sin square into cos square. This cos square cancels with cos square. 1 by sin square. Sin square cancels. 1 by cos square. I have written directly, my friends, one sample. Yes. What is 1 by sin square? Cosec square. 1 by cos square is sec square. My friends, this upon this. Cos square cancels 1 by sin square minus sin square cancels 1 by cos square. This square. 1 by sin square is cosec square minus sec square. Integral of cosec square is minus cot minus sec square is tan x plus c. Same 1 upon sin square into cos square. All these are very good examples. 1 upon sin square into cos square. Tell my friend. For 1 here, for cos 2x used identity cos square minus sin square. For 1 identity 1 we are using sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then what is the change here? Instead of minus it is plus. That's all. This sin square x plus cos square x upon sin square cos square cancels 1 by cos square. Cos square cancels 1 by sin square. My friend, that is why I have written here DIY. I have written here DIY. Yes. My friend, one more is there based on the same formula. Evaluate integral. It is cos 2x minus cos 2a. Denominator is cos x minus cos a. Cos x minus cos a dx. Yes, my friend. So to make use of the formula, this given integral equal to, what is this? Denominator is cos. You must use formula for cos 2x in terms of cos only, not mixture, not purely sin. Because in the numerator, denominator you have cos. So use what? Formula for cos 2 theta in terms of purely cos. This is 2 cos square minus 1 minus. It is 2 cos square minus 1. When the x is there, you write x. Where a is there, you write a. Denominator, you keep it as it is. Denominator is same. It is cos x minus cos a dx. Simplify this. Integral 2 cos square minus 1 minus 2 cos square. Minus of minus is plus 1. Denominator is cos x minus cos a dx. This plus 1 is cancelled with minus 1. My friends, now I remove this. And I write it. This is example after 12. It is example number 13. Example number 13. This is 13, my friends. Right. 13. Yes, I will continue it. So, you are left. Yes, this equal to integral 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square a, 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square a upon cos x minus cos a dx. 2 is common outside. It is cos square x minus cos square a. Denominator is cos x minus cos a dx. Write the factors of the numerator 2 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b a minus b. Denominator is cos x minus cos x. One minus factor cancels. You are left with 2 into integral cos x plus cos a dx. It is 2 into integral of cos is sin x plus cos a being a constant outside. Integral kx, k is what? Cos a plus c plus c. Oh, understood. This is 2 into integral of cos is sin. Integral of cos a being a constant, k, integral of k is kx, cos a into x plus c. This is this example, my friends. 13 example. Steps are more. Comes under 2 mark question, 2 mark questions. All these are the examples mainly used for cos 2 theta in a variety form, my friends. Yes, 1 minute time just to copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends, with this example, that is example number 13, in almost all these examples, my friends, we used the formula cos 2 theta in a different varieties. Cos square minus sin square we used, 2 cos square minus 1 we used, 1 minus 2 sin square we used. Even for 1 we used sin square plus cos square theta. So, making use of this trigonometric identities, even sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Making use of all these trigonometric identities, we have done nearly more than half dozen examples, my friends. More than half dozen. All these are good examples. Not only good examples, they are important examples to the point of exam. Such examples you may have under 2 mark questions. Most of the time, most of the examples comes under 2 mark instead of 1. It all depends, ma'am. 1 or 2 depends upon the examiner's wish. Yes, my friends. Saying this, doing this part of examples, today I will conclude. I will conclude this session, my friends. Okay. Today this much is enough, my friends. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, my friends. I wish you a good day. Namaste, namaskara, my friends. Namaste. Enjoy. Good day, my friends. Good day.